What's up, guys? Just giving you an update on my current build. This video is specifically for Sealy Science. I want to tell you thank you, bro, for all your help. It was very close. It almost, well, not really. I got plenty of room. If I had front suspension, it may be a problem. But I did have to drill out the other side of that hole a little bit wider to fit. But that was it. No bending. Like on my Zeta pipe, there was all kinds of bending I had to do to get this thing to fit. Mainly what I had to do to this Zeta pipe was basically bend it out that way. I heated it up down there with a torch and bent it. Otherwise, I couldn't even install it. But anyway, y'all, love that new pipe. Can't wait for it to start ripping. Got to install my chain and clutch cable and bucking bar. Still got to tune the carb. I'm taking my time on this, just chipping away on it slowly, guys. But anyway, just wanted to show you all the difference between the two. Y'all have a great day. Later, dudes.